Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce motion blur on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So many games on the PlayStation 5 like Call of Duty have options to turn off motion blur, but you can also do this on the system level by going to settings right here and selecting this. Then go up to accessibility. Then under display and sound, let's go to the right and go on down. And check mark this on. It says reduce motion. Reduce motion effects and screen movement on your PlayStation 5. So go ahead and turn this on. And if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.